Another guest we have joining us, Dr. Stephen Langston. He is a body language expert. He specializes in micro expressions. Dr. Langston, good to have you on the show tonight. Welcome. I want to play for you a piece of John Kennison's post-sentencing interview that he did with our Grace Wong. And remember, the first time we talked to him, he proclaimed his innocence. This time, though, his Grace said, he admitted to the role he played in the good doctor's death.
I played my part,
So your part?
That's why,
What was your part?
the destruction of our lives. So, that's what you want me to tell you, right?
No, I want you to tell me what you're feeling, what you're thinking, how this happened to you.
I just got mixed up in my emotions.
So you were influenced by Kelsey?
No. Well, you tried to choke me from behind when we were in the car, so wasn't really too much influence, but at that point, it's like big time difference between that, but it doesn't really matter anymore.
What does matter?
I went overboard. I lost control. I blacked out. I was really messed up on drugs.
So you killed him?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I did.
How did you do it?
I don't want to go over how it happened. I think today was kind of enough about thinking about everything. But they say that I had bludgeoned him.
And do you remember that? Do you remember doing that?
I don't.
Dr. Stephen Langston. It was interesting watching him as we were looking at the split screen there. What were you thinking, please?
Yeah, well, Julie, thanks for having me on. I tell you what, I watched this entire interview, and Grace did an outstanding job of really getting through his story, and it takes you on an emotional ride. My facial expressions is really at this point, because he's talking about the crime. You see he goes from the crime and he starts talking about Kelsey. And he goes through two different emotions here. When he's talking about the crime itself and the violence, you can see. Now, normally when you see this lip pursing and that flash right there, that contempt flash. Now, a lot of times when you see a contempt flash in a situation like this is an I know something you don't know approach. The difference here, now normally when we're doing these, normally when we're talking with you guys, we're looking at deception detection. But here we're looking at emotion because we already know he's admitted that he's done it. This lip pursing, shoulder shrug with a contempt flash on there. When you start combining those three things together, you get into a resignation. This is a self-defeat. I have been defeated. It's really interesting because when you look at his resting state when he was in court, he has a very predator look. He is looking down. His face is down, but he's looking through his eyelids. That is a predator attack. He's got his face drawn in a very angry approach. And this guy's an animal, right? You can definitely see he has that predator. Here, his eyes are down. Now, again, we're talking on a video camera here, so this could be it. His head's cocked to the side. He's got a lot of these shoulder shrugs, and his head's on this constant kind of swivel, and he keeps flashing that contempt lip part of his pulling back there. It's not a I don't know or I know something you don't know. This is I'm over. I've been defeated. I know what's happened. I know where I'm going with this. And then you see it change. When he starts talking about Kelsey, his eyebrows engage. Now, he does have like I said, his face is really resting. He doesn't have a lot of activity in his eyes, but his eyebrows go into that V, and he sees some anger. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to mean that he's angry at Kelsey. It could be a situation. It could be the fact that he never sees her again, and he's angry about this. But he's definitely, as soon as Grace brings up Kelsey, he flashes that angry stare real quick. It is a micro expression. You can see his eyebrows just kind of pull in just like this. That shows whatever's going through his mind at that time, he's definitely frustrated about, and he's got some anger, which is different than the defeatist approach that he has in the beginning of the interview.
Dr. Langston, we could listen to you all night, and we're going to listen to more from you. Stand by for us kindly in Virginia. This is excellent. We just have to squeeze in a break because we're at the bottom of the hour. When we come back, we're going to look at more of that jailhouse interview with John Kennison. He's been found guilty by the court of law. You know, after pleading, admitting his guilt, he's been sentenced, so his case is disposed of, but he's a wild card for Kelsey Turner's case. Could he come in and wreck this thing for the state? Who knows? But we're going to talk about the dynamics of the relationship between these three when we come back.
6446.
Were you ever jealous of him?
No, I don't do jealousy. I got a lot of other females that I don't do jealousy, and that's one thing I sit down whenever I sit down with any female that I do talk to, is that I don't do jealousy. Jealousy I don't like that around me.
Why don't I believe him? Do you? We've got an expert to tell us what he believes. We have body language expert Dr. Stephen Langston with us to analyze this video we see here of defendant John Kennison. He's been found guilty after admitting guilt, being sentenced. Kelsey Turner is his girlfriend. She's a co-defendant too. And apparently she was having a relationship with Dr. Thomas Burchard. And this guy says he wasn't jealous. But I don't know, did his body language say something else? Dr. Stephen Langston, what do you think about that answer when Grace asked the question?
You know, as I told you before, he took us on an emotional roller coaster with the conversation with Grace. And again, I can't compliment her enough on what she did. What they're talking about here with Dr. Burchard, he does change. Remember, I said this is a guy who's a hunter. He is an animal. He goes from defeated. He goes to with flashes of anger or frustration. He's talking about Jude, but when he starts talking about Dr. Burchard, something changes. His V eyebrows that inflicts anger, it flips up. He's showing some sadness there. And if you listen to some of the words that he actually uses, one of the comments he says is genuinely caring when he's describing him. A flash of sadness, that's very interesting. The really thing that pulls out of this part to me is his laughter. You notice when he changes, he has these little, Now, we use laughter as a form of nonverbal punctuation. It's a way to end something. Now, you have to look at the context. Why are we laughing? It's not a humorous laugh. It's not a maniacal laugh. It's not even quite a nervous laugh when you start accompanying it with the sadness that he's flowing. He's actually, what he's trying to convey here is, I don't want to talk about this. Is he jealous? No. Is he sad that something happened? I actually think, looking at him, he actually had some positive emotions towards the doctor. I think he is showing some sadness, maybe even some regret on what happened here. That punctuation of the laughter throughout his conversation is his way of trying to say, I don't want to talk about this. His sadness in his eyebrows is showing that he's showing some signs of regret. He does have a couple of tongue protrusions in there where he's licking his lips. He's trying to say, he's trying to push us away with that. And his statements alone about the guy, how much he cared, and he did care for them, I don't think there's jealousy. I do think there's some regret.
Dr. Stephen Langston, this is fascinating. We have more we want you to analyze for us, please. In this next clip you're about to see, he addresses the issue of the dynamic between the three of them, because this was kind of a love triangle. You know, he's involved with Kelsey Turner. He's got a kid with her. She's involved with the doctor. The doctor's taking care of her, paying the bills, shouldering all the financial responsibility. He says he's not jealous, but let's listen a little more about how he felt about Dr. Burchard.
And what about the dynamic with you, the dynamic in the relationship with Dr. Burchard? What was that dynamic like?
He was a financial supporter, so, you know, he was a sugar daddy. Like I said, he was one of many sugar daddies. You know, there's all kinds of people that just want to hang out with beautiful women and pay for their time. So that's what their job was. And that's cool. I'm not worried about that. That's something I can, with my lifestyle. I mean, I don't have no say in saying that it's wrong or what's right. Like I said, I'm not God, so I don't judge everybody, but it was fine. Whatever they had going on, that was cool. You know, he seemed like he was genuinely caring, you know, minus the fact of the negative stuff that he had going on. But that's, you know, that's his closet. So I don't want to talk bad about him. You know, he's not here no more, so.
All right, Dr. Langston, what's he really saying there, please?
Why is he smiling? So listen, when he's got this resting face, remember I talked about the first segment, how he's flashing content with his lips pursed. But this time he's not. This time he's got that content smile going. He's smiling. He keeps doing like the fun kind of talking. He knows, talking about the financial, the way that the doctor was financially supporting Kelsey. This is, I know something that you don't know. And his personality is changing. This is that roller coaster that I'm talking about in this whole thing. What's the smile for? His resting face, that hunter look that he has, that animal look, is kind of getting into a grin. What are we grinning about here? Look at the context that we're talking about. Talking about the relationship. He's talking about him being a sugar daddy for her. He knows a little bit more about what's going on, and there's a little bit of that content reflecting there that shows it. I think he knows a lot about what's going on, and there's something now. Is it between him and the doctor, him and Kelsey, or Kelsey? We're not sure, right? That's all contextual information. We're not trying to read his mind, but his personality does change here, and that content is really shining through here, and it's not defeated at this point. I know something.
Yeah, this guy is absolutely dangerous. Thankfully, he's going to be behind bars for a long time on these heinous charges. Dr. Stephen Langston, thank you for your time tonight. Hope to see you back on the program again very soon. It's been really fascinating.